Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open the camera app and switch to video. Don't delay. Once done, tap the chevron or arrow above the shutter to reveal modes, then choose action mode so the phone stabilizes heavy motion. Make sure you hold the phone with 2 hands or use a simple wrist strap for smoother tracking. If you need cinematic frame rates, switch to 24 or 60 FPS. That choice affects cropping and stabilization behavior, so pick the frame rate based on how smooth versus filmic you want the footage. Now record. Frame slightly wider because action mode crops to stabilize. Leaving extra headroom preserves composition after the software compensates. Once recording, use continuous autofocus for subjects that move, and lock AE/AF if lighting and distance stay steady so exposure won't hunt. Move with purpose. Pivot from your hips, take steady steps, and avoid abrupt turns or arm jerks. That reduces the algorithm's heavy corrections and preserves resolution. If needed, finish deliberately. Stop recording with a steady motion, then play back your clip at 1x and 2x to inspect stabilization and sharpness. If the footage appears soft or overcropped, try a different FPS or add a small gimbal or lens attachment to reduce digital correction. This preserves detail. If action mode behaves erratically, restart the camera app, reset camera settings, and make sure iOS is up to date. These steps resolve most software glitches. One troubleshooting tip: if stabilization jitters, switch FPS and retest before re-recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.